Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a site called youtuber.cash, and we're going to find out whether it is either legit or a scam. And also stay tuned. We're going to find out exactly whether you can actually make money watching videos with youtuber.cash. So without further ado, let's go over to the website. We'll walk through it, find out exactly what I found out, and we'll go dive into the website, show you how it works. You'll want to stay tuned right to the very end and find out whether it is going to be worth your time or not. Okay, so we've come on to the youtuber.cash website. And as you can see here, it says you can watch videos and get up to 60 US cents per minute of viewing. Okay, when you sign up, you get $10 just for becoming a newcomer, and that's a bonus. And if you refer others users, you get 40% of their earnings to your account. Now, there's a few things that obviously worry me about the youtuber.cash, and we're going to go through it now quickly. There's a couple of things here. As you can see here, we've got the anti-fraud thing here, and this basically says things like the things you're not allowed to do, and it says obviously sign up under your own link repeatedly, that sort of thing. Buying fake referrals, invites from fake traffic sites. So you've also got their support tab here. Now with their support tab, you have to actually write a message, and then you put a message in there, and they'll obviously respond. But none of these messages here are anything to do with what you would use support for. No one is saying how do I get paid out. No one's saying what's the minimum payout or anything like that. So bit of a mystery why they've got that set up. You've got FAQs here, which does tell you how much can I earn, and it says here you'll get up to 50 cents per video. It's easy for 1 hour's work to earn $30. So in other words, you get 50 cents for 1 minute just previewing a promotional video. So they're saying here you can work $90 a day, or it would even be $2,700 per month. Can I withdraw my money? It says yes, you can withdraw from the system within 1 hour during working hours, and with 3 to 4 hours during non-working hours. It says you can obviously use bank cards, foreign banks, bank accounts, Bitcoin wallets, and PayPal. But it says in brackets through the Western Union payment system. Now it says obviously can I invite friends and relatives, and obviously it says yes. You keep getting these annoying pop-ups as well saying that someone's just been sent PayPal money all the time. None of them are small amounts either, so they're big amounts. But it says here obviously you can earn 40% of their earnings go into your account. You can find your link to attract referrals in your personal account. Okay, and share this link on social networks, forums, etc. So I signed up for this because I wanted to find out a bit more about it. So let's go inside and show you exactly what happens when you obviously go and watch these videos. So I'm going to quickly sign in. Okay, so we've come into my account, and as you can see, it's pretty basic, as we can say, pretty basics. And it says here, referrals attracted 1. Well, I haven't shared it with anybody, so I'm not quite sure how they've got 1 referral in there for me. But there you go. It also says, obviously, you fill in your contact information, get another $2 US just for putting your telephone number. First of all, I'd say don't put your telephone number in there as yet. Let me certainly watch the video right to the end before you go and do this. My user account here, obviously I've just put in test as my name, and I signed up with a fictitious email I didn't have, and it let me in purely and simply because you don't have to verify your email or anything like that to actually get access. Again, it's another pop-up. It says here obviously user area, that's the user area you're actually in, and it says I have earned $18.76. Okay, so let's just click on the watch paid videos. And there we go. As you can see here, there's loads of videos that have loaded up, and we've got ones here. You can get $4.77 with this one. You can get $12 with that one, $5 with that one, $6 with that one. So as you can see, these amounts are quite high. In fact, they're very high for this type of thing. For actually clicking and watching videos on YouTube, these are very, very high. So let's just go and check out this one. This one's just $2, so it's obviously going to be a shorter video. So let's just click on it and see what actually happens. The video loads, and as you can see here, it starts to play.
Hello everyone.
Okay, it says here, if I try to pause it, it says cannot pause video while watching. That basically means that the timer here is stuck on 254 seconds. So obviously you can't go on until you've actually watched the video. But saying that, just look at what happens now. Okay, so obviously I've paused it again so you can actually hear what I'm saying. So we've got to wait until the actual viewing has actually gone down to the full amount, which will be the 2 minutes and so forth that the video takes to play. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm actually going to show you that you can actually have the video playing. So I won't obviously be talking over this bit. I'll let the video play, let the sound go, and I'll show you that you can actually go off of the video. You can actually go onto a different site, and you don't even actually have to listen to it if you don't want to, because I'm going to turn my actual volume down. Okay, so let's quickly go and do that now and just show you. Okay, so let's put the sound back on, and as you can see, I walked off of the video. I turned the sound off on my actual laptop, so I wasn't even listening to it, but the video still plays in the background. And as you can see, we've gone down to 169 seconds left, which is not good. If you're actually paying someone to watch this, why would you be able to even switch off and go to a different tab and use that? So I don't think youtuber.cash is all what it's cracked up to be. Okay, so I'm just going to let the video play right to the very end and see if we actually go and get paid. And so let's just go and do that right now. Okay, so as you can see here, we've finished the video, and it says now that I can add this to my cart. So I just click on there and it adds it to my account. As you can see, it's been added right there. So as you see, guys, this is very easy to do. You can obviously get enough money, but then obviously, do you really want to withdraw the money? Let's just see and click on withdraw money and see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to put PayPal in here, and then I'm actually going to put and then withdraw money. And as you can see here, it's telling me there's not enough funds to withdraw. You have not reached the minimum withdrawal amount of $200. Well, it doesn't say anywhere there on their site at all about you've got to reach $200. Our website, there is a quality control for video views. To correctly determine the quality, you must view at least 340 minutes. Well, if I'm getting paid $1 per minute, 340 minutes, that's $340. So that doesn't equate to what they are saying anyway. It says this restriction was introduced by advertisers. Well, they haven't got any advertisers. You can't become an advertiser on this site. So again, that is something that is they're just making it up, guys. So it cannot be changed. Well, it's your site. You can do what you want. Once you score the minimum amount and receive a payout, the limit of $200 will be removed, and you will be able to withdraw any amount at any time. So okay, so it's only for the first withdrawal you're going to have to get to $200. So from this, guys, I mean, what I can really discover from this is basically don't put your telephone number in here. Don't sign up with a proper email address either. And like I say, I just put that test email address in, which is just fictitious. I don't even own a test@gmail.com. So as you can see, it took us through to that page. as if it was going to pay us. So if I had my $200, it would probably still let me do that. So I don't think this is actually going to work, guys. I don't think it's a site that's going to be paying out. Obviously, let us know in the comments below if you have received money when you got to your withdrawal limit. But like I say, there's just too many red flags here. We don't know the people behind it. There's no information about the site at all when it was first started. They say 2007, but I certainly don't think that this is going to be around since 2007. I mean, let's face it, YouTube was only just very young then, so there's no way that this would have been launched shortly after YouTube was actually born, because they just wouldn't have been able to do this. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. And you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.